How to run multiple accounts on same application on Android device. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Settings application on your Android device. Once you do, scroll all the way down until you see the option of Accounts and User. Then after, you can see all the accounts associated in your application. So at the top, simply click on Multiple User. If this feature is not toggled on, simply turn on this feature and here you can see the admin user at the top, also the guest user option. After that, you can simply allow calls for this account. If you want, you can also add a new user. So click on Add User, click on Add again, provide new name and click on Tick at the top right corner. Now, when this feature has been enabled, when you go back in user accounts, you can see all the applications in the list. So you can simply click on any one of the application or you can simply click on Add Account option, choose one of the application in which multiple accounts are supported and then add a new account. So that's it. That is how easily you can use multiple accounts in one application on Android. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.